So that's a good question. Essentially, all of your wall decor options are in the wall elevation view. So you want to change from your plan view to your wall elevation. So this is wall D. That's that wall here. So what I might do is first of all bring our visibility depth down so that we're just looking at the wall and its decor. And then it's this menu here. So under, we've got the colors in here, so all of your paint colors, firearm ball and coat. And then under trim is where you can find your skirting boards, but also some architrave, your cornice and coving, dado rail and picture rail. So you can just add those items in like you would any other. Give it a paint color and go ahead. Probably a Victorian coving for me. And yeah, plan out your room.